अगर आपके बच्चे को स्पीच कंसर्न्स हैं या बिहेवियर कंसर्न्स हैं या उसका गट सेंसिटिव है और वो एक ग्लूटेन फ्री डाइट पे है या फिर ये सारे कंसर्न्स होने के बाद भी वो अगर ग्लूटेन ले रहा है और वो बहुत पिकी ईटर है, तो ऐसे दोनों केसेस में ऐसे दोनों तरह के बच्चों के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट जो आयुर्वेद ने लॉन्च किया है वो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। दिस इज ग्लूटेन फ्री कैसीन फ्री प्रोटीन आटा। The beauty of this product is no child will be able to tell कि ममा this is not like normal आटा। इसकी जो रोटी बनेगी वो सॉफ्ट होंगी, राउंड होंगी, फ्लफी होंगी, टिफिन में भी जा सकती हैं। बच्चों को ये खाने में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। बच्चों को दिखना और टेस्ट में एक अच्छी चीज अगर उन्हें मिल जाए तो वो खा लेते हैं। As far as you are concerned as a parent, you will be very glad to know that this particular atta is extremely rich in those 4 main brain nutrients which are also extremely useful in building focus, speech and managing behavior. They are protein, which is 13 gram of protein. Then it is fiber, extremely good for your gut because gut and brain are directly linked. Then we have iron. You know, your brain needs energy, which iron is the biggest component of that. And then there is magnesium. I think we all know by now what role magnesium plays in keeping our brain very calm. So if you have not tried this till now, पर अगर आपके बच्चे को रोटी खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, do not stop giving them roti. Just take this atta, make roti because every bite, every roti matters. You need to make sure, and this is something you have seen me saying all the time. Nutrition is very, very important. You are not eating for your body, you are eating for your gut. So please make sure that every single bite that goes in the body is adding nutrition to the body so that both gut and the brain can function. And then you can leave the rest to the body to show its beautiful changes after eating so much of nutritious food. And once again, even if your child likes to eat normal roti, is not allergic to it, that does not mean that we oversupply gluten to them. Gluten is not bad if your child is not allergic, but it does not mean that every meal, every bread, every roti, every paratha, everything should be gluten. Body needs a variety of nutrition through variety of grains and millets and dals. Please, let's make every single meal count by giving variety of nutrition in every meal. And this is exactly what we have done with this atta. This atta is made up of 7-8 beautiful different ingredients and each will add a lot of nutrition to your child's body. So go ahead, give it a try and I am sure you will love the changes that you will see after your child consumes this for at least a month.